Sometimes the world tells us to keep moving, to not look back, to not stop. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is to stop for someone else. This is the story of a dangerous night, a small light, and the Buddha who chose to stay. One evening, the Buddha was walking to a village with his students. The sky was dark. The wind was strong. Soon, rain began to fall. People on the road started running. Everyone wanted to reach home quickly. One student said, "Master, let us hurry. The storm is getting worse." But the Buddha stopped walking. He looked ahead. Near the forest, there was a small shelter. Inside it, a young boy was trying to keep a lamp burning. The wind blew again and again. Each time the flame became weaker. Someone shouted, "Go home, boy. It is not safe here." But the boy shook his head. "If this light goes out," he said, "people may lose their way in the forest." The wind grew stronger. The flame bent low, almost went out. The Buddha walked toward the boy. He took off his robe and held it around the lamp to protect the flame. Rain soaked his clothes. Mud covered his feet. Suddenly, the boy slipped. The lamp fell to the ground. Oil spilled everywhere. Some people watching said, "It is finished." But the Buddha knelt down. Only a few drops of oil were left. The boy asked quietly, "Is this enough?" The Buddha smiled. "Yes," he said, "it is enough." The boy poured the oil. The Buddha lit the lamp again. The storm continued. The wind kept blowing. But the flame stayed alive. Travelers saw the light. They followed it. They reached the village safely. When the rain stopped, the night became quiet. Water fell slowly from the trees. The road was empty again. The student stood beside the Buddha, watching the small lamp in the distance. One student asked softly, "Master, why did you stop for something so small?" The Buddha looked at the lamp, then at the dark road, and he said, "If this light had gone out, someone would have been lost." Sometimes what looks small is the reason others stay safe. The students understood. The Buddha began walking again. Behind him, the lamp was still burning. Remember this: one day, you will see someone who needs help. Others may walk past. They will say, "I am busy. I am tired. It is not my problem." But you will remember this story. And if you choose to stop, even for a moment, you may become the light someone needs to find their way. Sometimes, changing the world begins by not walking away.